the sounds of then, and people talking seem to recall. My minute movement and songs they fall from the backing tape, a certain texture, that certain smell to lie in sweat on familiar sheets in big veneer on finance beds in a room of silent heart effects. A certain texture, that certain smell brings home those heavy days, brings home the nighttime swell. Out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning back over cane fields, laugh and think this is Australia.
The land of my kin, where the spirits of my people still sing in the wind. Got my feet in the dirt, heart beating the ground. See our stories in the smoke as the sun goes down, and my song lies carved in these stars at night. So when the times get dark, we just follow their light. Yeah, from the mountains to the seas, the land's in our blood. My people hold the rhythm, so we rise from the mud. And when we fight in this division, we only beat it with love.
Out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crack over cane fields, a laugh and think that this is Australia.
This is home, but it's more than you know. Black, white, yellow, brown, see together we grow. In the ash we find strength, I see hope in the flames. No more division, no more playing these games. Yeah, past the present, we carry the flame. We're united in this story, not bound by its pain. From the Narra coast to the outback plains, it's in all of us now, see the blood in our veins. Past the present, we carry the flame. We're united in this story, not bound by its pain.
The block is awkward, it faces west, long diagonals and sloping too. And in the distance, through the heat haze, in convoys of silence, the cattle graze. A certain texture, that certain beats brings forth the nighttime heat. Cow out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crack over cane fields, laugh and think this is Australia. Out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crack over cane fields, laugh and think this is Australia.
Always was,
this is Australia.
always will be.
This is Australia.
He always was,
This is Australia.
always will be.
Check it out.